Hello student. Today we are going to start NumPy and Python. So, what is NumPy? First, NumPy stands for numerical Python. It is mainly used for numerical analysis like data science. In that, it is a Python library working with arrays. In Python, we have list and several other data type also that use like a array, but they are slow compared to your NumPy process. It provides a high performance multi-dimension array objects tool. Array are very frequently used in data science. NumPy array is a grid of values with the same type. It is indexed by a sequence of non-negative integers. So what is an array? Simply, array is a collection of same data type values that hold in the sequence that always occupy memory in the continuation format. For example, here I declare an array of 8 elements. The data type is int and the values 10, 20, 15, 30. These are the values of this array. And this array, this is the one name that holds 8 values, and that index always start with 0. Like here, when it will occupy in the location in the memory, then it will store in this format 10, 20, 15, 30, 75, 80. Okay, these are our element in the continuation. And the index, this is the index. With the help of index we can access our array element that always start with 0 and goes up to the size -1. Here our size is 8. Okay, the size is 8, then it will go up to the 7. On the zeros position, that's the 10, 1, 20. Second position on the 15. Okay, these are the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes up to the 7. Now in the NumPy we can classify array in the two format: 1D array, that is known as vector, also 1D means one dimension array, and multi-dimension array, that's the form of matrix. Okay students, now we are going to start the programming in the NumPy. So first we have to import NumPy as NP. Okay, this NumPy is a library and NP is the alias name of this NumPy library. Okay, so later on we will use NP in our programming. Now I am declaring one list variable L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is my list. Now I am creating array AR1 is equal to np dot array. Okay, we are going to convert this list into the array, so L1. Now after that, here print L1, and again I am giving print AR1. Okay, I am printing both list and array. Now see what's the difference will come in the output. When I will run this program, then my first print L1, that will print this list. Okay, that comes with comma. Okay, and when I am printing this array 1, that's coming without comma. Okay, that's the difference between array and the list. Okay, so there are some difference between NumPy array and your list. What are that? NumPy array is once created that cannot be changed its size. Okay, but in the list we can change it. Here NumPy array will contain your same data type values or elements. Okay, but in the list we can store different types of values, and NumPy array occupy less space compared to your list. Okay. Okay, now on the place of this initialization I am using input function. Okay, I am deleting these values and here using eval input enter list values. Okay, one message, and take the value and store that in the array1 and printing this. Now see, I am running here and giving 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now that's my list value and that's my array value. Now next time I am running this, and here I am giving nested list here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 then comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, that's the nested list I am giving here and print enter. Now see, this is my list values that coming with the help of this print L1 statement, but with the help of print array1 that will print my array matrix. Okay, that's the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 rows 3 columns. So with the help of this we can generate the matrix also.